So there you go. This is the food at Dave's Hot Chicken. Them are chicken bites. There's your chicken burger, but them called sliders. There's an extra hot one. There you go. Yeah. So I've come to try Dave's Hot Chicken. See what's going on. That's what we like to see. 5-star food hygiene. Very different, very unique. Strawberry drift or blue raspberry, but it's not AU. There you go, that's my order. And not forgetting my strawberry slush. So here's the burger, look at that, lovely jubbly. Chips. Lovely and crunchy. So the chicken bites. There you go. I've ate it all. Yeah. Yeah, man. Really enjoyed my food. I recommend you come to Dave's. The winners win. Certified. Spaceship there.